My favorite item out of my emergency kit is this really nifty extension cord that has all of these plugins and USBs, because at every event there's always someone that needs to plug something in and they just can't reach.
So my favorite items from my emergency kit are, especially for weddings, bobby pins, safety pins, and a sewing kit just in case anything like that happens.
My favorite item in my emergency kit is my first aid kit, because living in Colorado with all of our events and all the outdoor weddings, you never know what's going to happen. If you trip on a rock or fall on the ground, or a little kid gets a scrape somewhere, we've got you covered.
My favorite item in my emergency kit is duct tape. We get a lot of weather in Colorado, so I've used this for signs, for tablecloths. It's great for hanging stuff up when venues don't want you to put a bunch of holes in their wall.
My favorite emergency kit item are little bungee cords, because they can be used for anything from bundling pencils or strapping something heavy to a tent so that it doesn't blow away. They can come in handy for all kinds of different things that you need to stop moving.
My favorite emergency kit item is zip ties. They are perfect for hanging up signs. They are perfect for keeping things attached to tables, all sorts of things. It is my go-to thing in my emergency kit all the time.
My favorite emergency kit item is tape. I use it everywhere I go, every event we have. I don't think I've had an event in years where I don't need tape. Masking tape, duct tape, scotch tape, you name it, tape.